Dear English learners, welcome to English with Rispy.
Oh no! It's 7:30. We're late. David, wake up. We overslept.
What time is it?
7:30. Our flight is at 10.
10? Oh no! Okay, let's move.
Anna, Peter, wake up. Time to go.
Mom, just 5 more minutes.
No, 5 minutes today. We're going to Costa Rica.
Costa Rica? Jungle and monkeys?
Yes, but only if we catch the plane.
I'm up. Where's my yellow jacket?
In your drawer. And Peter, find your shoes, please.
I can't find them.
Here, little explorer. Your shoes are under your pillow again.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Passports, tickets, chargers, snacks. Where are the snacks?
In the blue bag. And coffee for us?
Of course. No trip without coffee.
Mom, I packed my swimsuit and my favorite book.
Good job, sweetie. Peter, what about you?
I packed my toy car and my hat.
Only that? What about clothes?
Oh, right. Clothes, too.
Maybe he's planning to live on the beach.
Not funny, David. We still have to call the taxi.
Already did. It'll be here in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Oh no, I haven't brushed my hair yet.
Mom, you look fine. You always look fine.
Nice try, honey. But still, comb time. Okay, checklist. Passports,
Check.
tickets,
Check.
snacks,
Check.
chargers.
Double check.
Perfect. We're ready.
Wait, my monkey toy.
Again? Where did you put it?
On the couch.
Got it. Let's go before we miss the flight.
Good morning. Going to the airport?
Yes, please. Terminal 3.
All right, hop in.
Okay, everyone. Seatbelts on.
I'm so excited. I've never been on a plane before.
Really? This will be your first flight?
Do planes have bathrooms?
Yes, small ones, like toy bathrooms.
Cool. I want to try it.
Not now, Peter. Wait until we're in the sky. Oh, traffic. Please move, cars. Please move.
Relax. We have time. The airport isn't far.
Mom, what will we see in Costa Rica?
Beaches, volcanoes, jungles, and lots of animals.
I want to see a sloth.
And I want to see a quiet beach with no phones ringing.
You? No phone? Impossible.
Okay, maybe one phone, just for pictures.
And ice cream. We must eat ice cream there.
Deal. Ice cream every day.
Yay!
You're going to love it there. Costa Rica is amazing. So green and full full of life.
You've been there?
Yes, twice. The rainforest is beautiful. Just don't forget mosquito spray.
Oh no! David, did you pack the spray?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I'll buy one at the airport, okay? Don't worry.
Okay. But no maybe for the passports, please.
Don't worry. Got them right here.
Mom, look! Airplanes! I can see them!
Finally, we made it.
Here we are, Terminal 3.
Thank you.
Have a great trip, folks.